Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing today? I believe you are doing fine. As for me, I'm doing so very good. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, do subscribe because I share so many stuff like spiritual tips, how to liberate yourself, how to protect yourself, like using natural things to take care of your spiritual life, to boost your spiritual life, and also to draw closer to God. Okay, so if you love any of that, subscribe to this channel, hit the red subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Today's video is actually different from the others because we're going to be doing love. We're going to be talking about how to get the right partner, okay? How to draw the right partner to yourself using clove. I know that you have already seen it from the title of this video, how to draw the right partner. We're going to be using clove because clove draws good energy. It doesn't bring bad energy. It can never bring bad people to you. If you desire a woman that will love you genuinely, without any evil attached to his heart, if you desire a man that will love you genuinely without having any bad intention, you just have to continue watching because this video is just for you. So I am Pamela, for those that don't know yet, okay? Just call me Pamela. Alright, so clove has so many benefits, health benefits. Use it to take care of your body, for beauty. It's also very good for spiritual purpose, and that is what we're going to be doing today. So clove is highly spiritual also. You can use it to draw good energy. It gets rid of bad energy around your house, around you. Draws good people to you, to your home, to your business, to your offices. Like, it's just something like, it removes old garments from you, like a black garment, and displays a new garment. Anywhere you go, you just be radiating favor. Favor will be coming to you. Instead of bad things, favor will come to you. You can also use it to destroy the power of the wicked ones. It has the ability to remove bad energy totally. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to radiate love to you, to bring good people. Yes, if you desire someone that will love you and to spend money on you, you have to continue watching because this video will really help you so well. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to include prayer, and you have to include faith. Spiritual work does not work for everybody. It's not a magic. Okay, it's not a magic. You have to apply faith for it to work. I always see it all the time. That it works for Mr. A does not mean that it will work for Mr. B. It's not a must. It's just your heart. Do you believe in it? Do you believe that God will pass through it to help you? All these are natural remedies. Okay, so this is clove. Yes, clove powder. This is powerful. The way it smells alone can tell you that it draws good energy. The smell is amazing. So this is clove stick. Look at clove stick. Look at clove stick. Look at it. So I'm also going to display it so that you see it clearly. Look at how it is. Clove stick. So you can actually turn it into a powdered form, okay? And that is what we're going to be doing because, if you have this type, the clove stick, you can turn it into a powder form by grinding it, Use your food processor, the dry one, your blender, to turn it into this. You can find your clove from the market. In Africa, they use it to prepare this zobo drink. Okay, it's very common. So you can also get it from the supermarket, from African shops. This clove is everywhere. You purchase it from food stores, okay? It's everywhere in the supermarket, food stores, online. In case You can find it everywhere. You can get it online. Clove has so many benefits, but today we are going to be using it to draw love to you, to get love, honest love, not somebody's own, the one that belongs to you, your rightful partner. You can use it to attract someone that will love you genuinely without any bad intention. So this is what you are going to do. So you can actually use clove as well to draw prosperity to you. Remember what I said, it has the ability to draw good people and good things generally. So it's going to draw good people, like attract good people and attract prosperity to you. If you are going to be using it in your office, in your business place, you have to also use it the same way I'm going to show you. So what you have to do is just to get your body cream. It can be your face cream, your body cream, anything. So, and you have to get the powdered one. Yes, turn it into a powdered form is better. Okay, it's better to turn it into a powdered form like this. And when you have got it, you have to add just small. Oh god, this is smelling so nice, so nice. The aroma is everything. So you have to add small quantity, small amount is all you need into your body cream or your facial cream. Mix it very well. As you're mixing it, be calling your name and be saying whatever you want, anything you want it to do for you. If you want to bring the right partner to yourself, like you want good people to follow you, just be saying it. Say your name. You so person. Maybe you say Pamela. Okay, I Pamela. You be turning it and be saying your request, anything you want. It works amazingly. Then you can perform this anytime, morning, afternoon, nights. But you have to include prayer. Add prayer. Tell God to pass through this and attract good things to you. This cannot draw bad people to you. If you are going to be using it to do evil work, it will not work for you. If you are going to be using it to punish somebody, it will not work, because clove has positive effects. It only draws good energies. It draws good people. It draws good things to you. Okay? It removes bad things entirely. So you cannot use it to perform bad purpose to anyone or to yourself. So you can also use it for cleansing. You can add it into your water. So we're not going to be doing cleansing work. We're doing love and money, honest love. Just have to be stirring it. Add little amounts. Yes. You don't have to make your cream to turn brown like this. That is why I said little amounts. Mix it. As you're mixing it, be calling your name. You do it yourself. Okay? And this, you cannot do it for somebody else. Instead of you to do it for somebody else, just give the person the powder. Tell that person to mix it for himself or herself. Do not mix it for anybody. Okay? Because this should be done for you. Okay, so you just add it into your cream and be mixing it. Mix it, be calling your name, that you want this, you want good things, you deserve good things, that should give you your rightful partner. It should give you someone that will love you genuinely. Okay, so after doing that, just apply it. Be applying it on your body as your body cream anytime. You can apply it during the day, you can apply it in the night, anytime, and it works. Spiritual work does not know anything like distance. It does not know whether somebody is close or far. Anywhere the person is, it must surely locate you. There are many ways you can get your future husband, your future wife, or even the right partner for yourself. There are many ways you can get money. It may be far, it may be near. Remember, this is spiritual. That is why you need to involve prayer to make it powerful. So why I said it should include prayer, because without adding prayer to this, yes, it can bring good things to you. It can repair your health. In my other channel, I talk about how to use clove to conceive. There are things I add to it to make you able to conceive by cleaning your womb. Okay, it has good purpose. So you can also use it for skin, okay, because in that my channel I also talk about skincare. Okay, so In this remedy, in today's one, use it to attract prosperity spiritually by including prayer. Add faith to it that it's going to work and it will come to pass by the grace of God. Except there are hindrances. Hindrances like maybe before making use of this, that you have been putting your hands in so many bad stuffs. That means you have to do some cleansing. If you have committed abortion before and you want to jump from abortion or from killing or from all sorts of evil to come and start using this, it will not work for you, because you need to undergo cleansing. Check my videos, you will see some cleansing videos, okay, how to cleanse yourself. You have to do that midnight. Say your prayer midnight and use that water to bath, to wash yourself. There are many ways to cleanse. It's not only by bathing. You can apply on the body. So I'm going to be sharing that very soon. But if you want to know how to cleanse, check my channel. So most people, they will just start saying that things are not working for them, that what I posted, you see people that is working for them, but it has not worked for them. They will ask me if they should continue using it. My dear, you cannot use it more than the way I stated, okay? You only need to include faith. If it did not work, try another. Do not extend the number of days you're supposed to use that thing. Okay? So it may be that you have not cleansed, you have never cleansed yourself. Every human being should cleanse regularly. Okay, like even if it's once weekly, once in 2 weeks, or once monthly. Because we live in a very wicked world, okay? We live in a very wicked world. So anywhere you go to, you may be surrounded by negative people. Those people draws out your stars. They draw out good energies from you, and you just be left with emptiness. So it's always good to remove those things from you, to remove it from your house. You have to cleanse yourself, because most times you have visitors in your home. So after cleansing yourself, this will work so fast. Like, you'll be thinking it's magic, but it's not magic. Okay, if you have been dipping your hands in so many bad stuffs, you have to cleanse yourself, to plead for mercy, cleanse yourself, to remove all those things, and never you go back to that thing again. So this clove is so important, okay? And you have to always seek for knowledge and wisdom, because these are the things that are created by God, and you have to use it to your own benefit. So use it, be applying it, the cream, and you see people coming to you, like good people. If you are a business person, like if you do business, everything will be working for you by the grace of God. If you use it for your office, you'll be getting like contracts, promotion, good things. Okay, so if this did not work, you can check other things in my channel. Okay, so that is how to use clove to attract love, to attract good people, money to yourself. I'm also going to be sharing how you can use clove for cleansing. Yes, how to use it for cleansing. Very soon I will be sharing a video about that. So for now, this is how you can use it to be applying on your skin, to polish your skin, to glow, and to attract good people spiritually. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, this must surely work for you by the grace of God. You just have to believe in God, that God will pass through it to bless you. Okay, thank you so much, and you will surely be blessed. Yeah, I am Pamela, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed.